Previously on this series, we spent an entire day going from one gallery to another. We visited Medusa's painting, said hi to David, tried out some of Leonardo da Vinci's inventions, ordered wine from the famous ancient wine window, and celebrated Ollie's birthday.
Good morning. Today is our last day in Florence. We're gonna head to this place pretty close to our hotel. They have pretty good matcha latte there. They also have a bunch of different pastries. The place just looks so cute and it has really good reviews.
By the way, the Nazis destroyed many bridges in Florence during the retreat of World War II, but thankfully the Ponte Vecchio was spared because Hitler actually considered it too beautiful to destroy. We're currently heading to the first ever Gucci store, opened in 1921. It actually started as a small workshop and shopfront. He used Tuscan leather and got inspiration from the world of horse racing. It's nice to actually see the humble beginning of this brand and where it came from and how it grew into a global luxury brand. As you walk through Florence, you'll see that a lot of buildings are built with this Tuscan marble with like white, green, and pink varieties. I read that using marble for their buildings was a way to show the city's prosperity and cultural significance back in the Renaissance period. This is the Basilica di Santa Croce, which houses the tombs of Michelangelo and Galileo. This is the cutest little bottle ever. It's so tiny. This is the Palazzo Medici Riccardi. Legend has it that the Palazzo Medici still harbors hidden rooms and secret passages. Some people believe that these might include some of the Medici family's remaining wealth, hidden bank vaults containing gold and treasures. There's obviously no proof of that, but it's nice to have a little mystery floating around the palace. We're wandering towards the Mercato Centrale to try some food now. The building has such a lovely energy. On the ground floor, you'll find fresh produce, meat, cheese, and other produce. When you head upstairs, you'll find a whole bunch of restaurants and food options. I've never tried arancini before, so we're gonna get some to try. It has a crispy texture on the outside and creamy on the inside, filled with gooey cheese center. The magic is in the contrasting texture. So cute! checking out the Mercato, we wandered around a little bit more, then found this Chinese dessert place and ordered this bowl with sweet potatoes, ginger milk pudding, red beans, boba, and a whole bunch of yummies. That was so refreshing to eat. We're slowly wandering towards the hotel to get our bags and then head to the airport. That's all for this episode. Hit the like and subscribe button to continue exploring. Next, we'll be traveling to Scotland, where J.K. Rowling got her inspiration for Harry Potter, and visit the sites Outlander was filmed. Thanks for hanging with us. See you next Wednesday. Bye!